MSI has just teased an interesting new product on Twitter. MicroStar International has showcased the new MAG Trident S mini gaming console, which is powered by an APU from AMD. While the known Chinese PC maker has shared an image of the product, it only shared a few specifications of the upcoming mini gaming console. Looking at the official tweet, the MAG Trident S console will be powered by Team Red's Ryzen 7 5700G chipset. This is an APU with 8 cores. Furthermore, it is built to be compact and portable, and takes up just 2.6 liters in total size. Another notable feature includes support for up to 3 monitors at the same time. Talking about its design, the Trident S mini gaming console appears to feature a dual-tone design on its small body consisting of a white and black color scheme. It will also feature some form of LED lighting along with usual connectivity options like USB ports and more. While its chipset is a powerful CPU with capable integrated graphics, it still doesn't feature a dedicated GPU. So, it's safe to be skeptical regarding its overall performance. The device should likely run esports title like CSGO, Valorant, and other current AAA titles would likely run via game streaming services, as suggested by the tweet. At the moment, the brand has yet to officially reveal the pricing of this product, so stick around and subscribe for more updates regarding this matter.